is. Like,
I know.
there's like leather, there's like air conditioning units.
Okay.
This is like the Tesla of trucks.
Wow. That is.
What is this? What is this called?
This is a Ford F-150.
I've been thinking about getting a vehicle. A new vehicle.
A newer vehicle.
Maybe instead of getting a vehicle for me,
Okay.
I could get a vehicle for Ricky. I could surprise him with one of these.
I know he loves trucks. That would be really nice.
You think I can get one for like $150 a month? Like $150? That's kind of the budget.
Get a what?
One of these. The Tesla of trucks.
No. I don't think you can get one for $100. You can get the insurance for $150 if that's what you're looking for.
So I'm looking for a truck. Ricky's been really stickler about like the budget lately. Like, Chrystle, you're spending so much money in here in the business and the blah blah blah. Like, so maybe I could push him to like 155.
The question is, if he's that stickler right now, if he's being such a stickler now on the budget, is he even going to want a new truck right now?
I really think about that.
Wait, what are you doing?
I told him I got a truck.
You told who you got a truck?
Ricky, you're right. Like, I don't know how he's gonna react. I've never surprised him with something this big before.
But you hadn't got a truck. That's what I'm saying. And you can't tell him you got a truck and you hadn't.
I had to tell him I got a truck so I would know how he'll react if I get a truck.
Wow.
That's the only way to know.
What happens now when you say, hey, I got a truck, and he writes back, heck yeah. Like, what if he's super excited? What do we do? No. What do you do?
Oh, shoot, he texted me back.
Oh, man.
What kind? Ford F-150.
I don't know if he loves F-150s. I believe he loves the Ram, the Dodge 1500, I think.
So I should have bought one of those. I bought the wrong truck.
What the? Wait. I thought we were telling him about buying a truck. What do you mean?
No, I told him I bought a truck.
You're right. You told him you bought a truck, but you hadn't bought a truck.
I mentally bought a Ford F-150.
Right. Okay. But you hadn't bought it yet. Oh.
But he doesn't know that. He thinks I bought a Ford F-150.
Right, but that's
What if he's mad not because if I bought a truck or didn't buy a truck? What if he's mad because I bought the wrong truck?
I see where you're at.
What am I going to do now? I bought the wrong truck.
Wait a minute. You mentally bought the wrong car. You hadn't even bought it yet.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, boy.
He's excited.
Chrystle, what have you done?
He's excited. He wants the truck.
What the? Now what are you going to do? What next?
I need to buy a truck.
How are you going to
For
buy?
$150 though.
How are we going to get a truck for $150?
You know people. Don't they? They say they just gotta make the numbers work.
I do know a couple people, but they're in the music business. Like the people that I know, they work with individuals who have musical talent. Are you?
Cause you just do music sometimes, right?
Right. Wait, whoa.
You think I could do music?
Oh no.
I need to buy a truck now.
Oh no. Chrystle?
I need a truck. You have a connection.
I do.
This is what.
Listen, this is what I'm saying. If I make the connection between you guys, I don't even.
I'm hard. I'm raw. I spit it and I flip it. I dip it, but I don't quit it. I'm a rapper, not a dapper. But I'm also dapper.
Listen. How about?
Those were bars.
Those were something. Listen, I'm going to connect you with an individual. I'm going to connect you with somebody. I'm thinking 2SC could do something with you, man. I don't know.
He makes hot beats.
He does, but that's the thing.
And that's all you need is a hot beat and a dance.
Wait, so you think you can get signed?
I mean, I gotta do something. I gotta get this truck. I told Ricky there's a custom truck.
Oh my goodness.
You're gonna do the thing. You're gonna go. You're gonna talk to your people.
I'm gonna talk to my people.
You're gonna let them know.
I
I'm hype, no chaser.
Okay.
And it's gonna be lit.
Oh.
I know slang.
Listen to me.
I ain't fronting.
Don't do that when you meet
Dad.
Don't do any of that.
Dab.
You have to.
Dab.
You gotta wait a minute. Don't do any of that when you meet the connect. Don't do any of that.
Is that code for do all of that, but you can't tell me to do all of that because it...
No, that's actually not code for any of that. It's direct saying don't do any of that when you meet the connect.
I wouldn't say we